Hey, it's State Park Steve, and I am in The Hague in the Netherlands. We're going to actually see all of Netherlands in 1 hour. Well, that's what they say. We are here at Madurodam, and it's a miniature city of all of Netherlands. And look, they've got someone here, the dike is breaking, so they're going to put their finger in the hole. Okay, so this is apparently a movie of a boy who became a hero in the war. It opens every 5 minutes, so maybe we'll check out this movie. Oh, and here he is.
Nederland geeft zich op 15 mei 1944 en wordt gebombardeerd. Meneer Alexander wordt 7 maanden lang gevangen en de gevangenis wordt na de oorlog door koningin Wilhelmina vereerd met de hoogste militair George Maduro. Die levende herinnering groeit uit op misschien wel het vrolijkste oorlogsmonument ter wereld. Nederland op zijn allermooiste laten zien. Het verhaal van George vormt het begin van een inspirerende reis langs de grote verhalen van Nederland. Welkom in Madurodam.
The movie was great. It explained kind of how Madurodam got started. It was because of that man George in the World War II, of how he, tried to free Netherlands and save them, and ended up dying like 11 weeks before they were liberated by the U.S. So. About the history of the Netherlands in 1572.
Places of our national history, the state room. How brave of you to come to Dordrecht. You have traveled here from all corners of the Netherlands, risking your very own lives. It is about time that we deal with the terrible Iron Duke. Our actions will determine the future of this country. This future. Here, the Dutch lion shows its true face. We are starting a revolution that will bring us freedom, even if this battle will last for 80 years. 1572. Might still in the past, guideposts for the future. Do you stand by the place? Today we pass the fire of freedom to you.
Hollandse Mesdag. Oh my goodness, this is so freaky. I can't even open my eyes. Oh, that is so freaky. The Hollandse Masters was super cool. Super cool. So surprised every time we go in there. They honored all the Dutch painters like Van Gogh and Rembrandt and had wonderful interactive exhibits for the kids. It was beautiful. Okay, look at that.
Oh, it's so cute. You gotta get them.
We bought our own clogs.
Oh,
Nice.
those are cute.
De wind komt en gaat.
Was super cool. I think I learned about the windmills and everything. Really nicely done. The dike's breaking. Okay, this is definitely from a park. This is from a national park we've been to. I think it was WWII National Park. One of the castles there. Pretty cool. There goes the train. This whole place is a park. I mean, it's got a playground, it's got snacks and a cafe, of course, and it's got attractions and things to see. It's pretty cool. And here's a amusement park they built. Set.
kookleum en onder zijn andere arm bungelboom en begon zo hard dat de put door. En na 3 tellen al niet meer zien. Na een paar minuten.
This show is called New Amsterdam. It's the Dutch origins of the city that never sleeps. Doesn't sound like Las Vegas. I don't know. But this is Amsterdam. Let's see what they have to say about that.
Aan de oevers van het IJ ligt Amsterdam. Laten jullie ons geen andere keuze. Nieuw Amsterdam moet behouden blijven.
The Dutch turned all this water into land during the 70s.
If we don't build this dike right now, then Leiden, Haarlem, and Amsterdam will disappear forever. The water move! It's going to strike again!
When that happens, the steam engine.
Water is in our very DNA. We are water.
So that was all about how the Dutch reclaimed the land in the Netherlands because most of it was underwater. So they had to pump it out with steam engines. They are amazing. They have built this huge dike that has protected the land. If there was a tsunami, most of the Netherlands would now be back underwater. So you can try and pump the water out. Otherwise, the water's gonna go over the dike. Flood the city. Oh no. So it was a little bit of Madurodam, and just amazing. It really exceeded my expectations, and all started as a memorial for George Maduro, who was a Jewish Dutch law student who helped fought in the resistance in World War II. And yeah, isn't that amazing? This is also built for a charitable organization for sick and vulnerable children. In fact, there's an event here today for some hospital or children. So amazing place, great place to go visit. And as a side trip to Madurodam, you can go visit the Hague, which is the seat of the parliament for the Netherlands. So it's kind of like the government capital, although Amsterdam is the capital. But yeah, this is the city known for International City of Peace and Justice. Hendrik Wilman is the painter of this panorama, and the panorama was patented in 1787. And look at this, they had people on the mobile stands as the artist would tell them what to do. So you paint around the panorama. We are at the panorama. This is huge. It's like 4 or 5 stories tall at least. Got sand here to make it look real, and they got the smells. But it's huge. Look at this. Whole ocean. I feel like I'm in Disneyland at Circle Vision 360. So cool. So the painting wasn't signed, but supposedly they put his wife in it. Here it may be the lady under the umbrella.
She's painting.
She's painting. Nice. Shopping in Den Hague. Ooh, look at over here. Oh, look at those cookies. Look at that. It's another chocolate store. Harry Potter chocolate. Look at all that stuff. Oh my goodness. I think I may have to go get something.